my pear cantaloupe smoothie. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a pear and cantaloupe smoothie. So I have the fruits already washed and cut up and remove the seeds. So I have roughly 1 pear and 4 slices of cantaloupe. I have a yogurt. I have a half glass of milk. You can use any milk you choose, whether you're vegan, you can use natural milk, whatever you choose. I have some 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of sugar, because as you know, these fruits are not very sweet. And I have my vanilla extract that I'm going to use a teaspoon. So, and I have my blender. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to add my fruits to my bullet. Alright, add my yogurt. You can use any yogurt you prefer, the plain one, anyone. This is blueberry, right? My sugar and my cinnamon. I'm gonna be adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. And I'm gonna add my milk now. So it's half glass of milk. You can choose to use less. And then I'm gonna blend. And there you have it, guys, all done. So I'm gonna glass this now. My pear cantaloupe smoothie. All done, guys. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Remember to watch the video here, my brown stew fish. Yeah, watch that video, guys. You'll love that video also. All seafood lovers, check out that video. Remember to follow me on all social, and don't forget, before you leave, please subscribe and touch that notification. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.